Hello guys, welcome to Mechanical Words. So today we will study engineering mathematics. In previous class we have studied some of not studied we have solved some of Bhel previous year questions. Okay, which in two parts. Okay, it has two lectures. So today we will study some of engineering mathematics. So the thing I want to tell you is that mathematics plays a very important role in any engineering. Okay, especially if you are studying mechanical engineering, then I'm telling you that mathematics will change your thinking ability in mechanical engineering. I'm telling you, if you want to go for research in future, then you need to know mathematics. Okay, otherwise you won't. If you don't know mathematics, what is mathematics, how to solve difficult problems, complex problems, then also you can't crack any master or MTech program like GATE or UGC NET. So if you want to become a researcher, or if you want to become a good mechanical engineering, then you will have to know mathematics. Okay, I will teach you mathematics from basics. So uh, if you haven't any idea of what is mathematics, how to solve problems, then no problems, no worries, I will teach you from zero. Okay, I will teach you from zero, like from basic arithmetic. Okay, so let's start it. So this is engineering mathematics. Engineering mathematics. Okay, so you have to give efforts on mathematics. I am telling you, give maximum amount on problem solving problems. Okay, if you want to crack good exams like GATE or ISRO, so if you have to spend much time on mathematics. Okay, then you can solve, then you can crack that exams. Okay, so basic arithmetic is our first subject. Basic arithmetic. Basic arithmetic. Okay. Okay, so first point, note it down with me. Whole numbers are called, note down with me. I'm dictating you, note it down. Whole numbers are called integers. Whole numbers are called integers. Okay, whole numbers are called integers. Whole numbers are called integers. So which are the whole numbers? Whole numbers like uh, any whole number, like anything, like 1, like 3, 5, 72, 13, 6, 51, or you can say anything like 7, 8, anything. These are whole numbers and these are called integers. Okay, so integers are two types. Integers 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 are of positive integers, okay, positive integers, and second integers negative integers. So two types of integers. So examples of positive integers are examples like plus 3, plus 5, and plus 72. Okay, so the examples of negative integers like minus 72, minus 10, minus 19. These are some examples of negative integers. These are positive integers. Okay. So between positive and negative integer is the number 0, which is neither positive nor 0. So 0. The one thing I want to tell you that 0 is the most complex number in the universe. Okay. So there is number of mystery in this 0. Okay. There is number of mystery. 0 is mysterious, man. I'm telling you, 0. This is very mysterious thing. So 0 is the most complex number. You cannot define what is actually is. It is okay. Like Hindu or Muslims. If someone has no religion, like he is not Hindu, he is not Sikh, he is not Christian, then what he is or what she is. Okay, what's his religion? What's her religion? We don't know. So that is 0. Okay, that is 0. It has nothing. So the four basic arithmetic operators, the basic arithmetic operators are like, so these are very basic things we have to know. Four basic arithmetic operators. Four basic arithmetic operators. Four basic arithmetic operators like plus, like minus, like multiply, and then the divide. Okay, done. It is assumed that adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing reasonably small numbers can be achieved without a calculator. However, if revision of this area is needed, then some work problems are included. Okay, this is not needed. Okay, when unlike science occurred together in calculation, the overall sign is negative. For example, okay, so there is a problem. We have to get a result. We have to get a result in negative, like in negative integer. Okay, the result will be negative integer. So there is a problem. So the one thing I want to tell you, we all, we not all, like maximum proportion of people frightened of mathematics. Why? Because they are look so tough, but actually they are not. I'm telling you, the mathematics is the most interesting subject of our universe. It is like different languages. It is same as like different languages like Hindi, English, Bengali, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. Mathematics is also a language, a nature's language. Okay, mathematics is also a nature's language. So, if you able to communicate with nature language, then I'm telling you, there will be no life problems that you cannot solve. You can solve any problem in your life, in your studies. Any problem you can solve very easily if you know that how to communicate with maths. If you know the language, the nature's language, which is the mathematics, if you know that properly, I'm telling you, you can solve any problems in our life, in your life or anything. So you have to know this mathematics, okay? You have to be good at mathematics. So because this is our need to know the mathematics, okay? So 3 plus minus 4 is equal to 3 plus minus 4, which is 3 minus 4. Okay. The question there is we have to uh, make an answer which is in negative integer, which is negative integer. Okay. So here is the answer. We have to do nothing. Like here is a small number. Here is the bigger number. Okay, with negative integer. Okay, here is a plus. So we know that positive negative positive into negative is equal to what? Negative. Okay, so 3 minus 4 is equal to what? Minus 1. Here is what comes. Okay, like signs together give an overall positive sense. Okay, then we have to give the overall positive sense. Like let's say 3 minus, we have to give minus, or do the same, do one thing. Suppose here we do 4 minus 3, then it becomes 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, which is in positive integer. Okay, this is negative and this is positive integer. Okay, we're done. Okay, so these are some basics of new arithmetics on some integers. As a division of addition and subtraction, you can probably already add 2 or more numbers together and subtract one number from another. However, if you need a division, then the following work problems. Okay. Okay. So problem number 1. Okay, so the problem number 1, okay, we will move slowly, okay, otherwise we will not understand, because I am also student, I am also studying mathematics from basics, okay, and also I am teaching you. So you have to give me a chance, you have to give me a chance so that I can teach you well, okay. Everybody needs a chance, so I am also wanting from you a chance so that I can teach you well. Okay, that's all. Okay, so the problem number 1 is very basics. You know the basics. Basics are the very important thing. Okay, so the problem is determine 735 plus 167. You have to determine. Okay, let's solve. Okay, let's solve. Here, no, not let's solve. Okay, we have not done with the question. Okay, note down this question. You have to note it down with me. HTU here 7 3 5 1 6 7. We have to add it. Okay, the first, so the here from this the first question arises 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 plus 2 in units, plus 2 in units, u column, carry 1, in the tens t column, plus 2 in units. Okay, t means tens, okay, plus 2 in units, plus 2 in units column, carry 1 in the tens color. So this is the first question. There are no two questions in here. Okay, so we have to solve it. What is saying? What is saying? Okay, have you noted it down? Okay, let's solve it. So first question is, suppose HTU 632 and 369. Oh God, not this here. This solving part. Oh, there's a big mistake here. There's a big mistake. Sorry, there's a big mistake. Okay. Here's the solving part. Like suppose this is a question. This is the question. Okay, 735 plus 167. Okay, and so this is the answer. Here the first part is saying, Arey yaar. This is a very basic. I didn't know that. Yeah, basic, very basic, man. Simply there, simply they're just adding up. Yeah, this is class fifth class mathematics. Yeah, we won't do that. We won't do that. We are studying mechanical engineering. Our level is much greater. Yeah, this is just not our thing. What are we doing here? No, we will not do this. We will not do this. Yeah, I know that basics are important, but not this much basics. Yeah, we know this. We don't need this much of basics. Fifth class mathematics are giving. All fifth class mathematics. Oh no, we will not do this. Okay. Do you guys all know the basic HCF or LCF? Okay. What is the full form of HCF? Full form of HCF is highest common factor. Highest common factor. Okay, this is highest common factor in LCF means lowest common factor. Okay, lowest common factor. Okay, so the okay, we all know the common factor thing. Okay, so we are given. So let's move to the question. Suppose Suppose 12, 30, 42. These are some numbers are given. Okay. So 12 is equal to what? 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 42. 3 into 2 into okay. So this is the common factor, this is the common factor, this is the common factor, this is common, and this is common. Okay? Okay? This is one. Okay. So the answer is HCF. I'm telling you the HCF. HCF is 6. Okay? The HCF is done. Okay, so this is interesting question. Okay, this is interesting question we will do with the broad mass equation. With the broad mass equation, okay, this clears the most basics. Okay, we will spend some time with basics, no problem, because basics are the base of any construction. So I believe in that theory that basics are very important. So we will spend some time. Find the value of 6 plus 4, 5 minus 3. Okay? The order of procedure of operations, the order of procedures of operations is remembered by the word. The order of procedures of operation is remembered by the word broad mass. So broad mass means B for brackets, B for bracket, D for division, and A for addition. Okay. So here we will use this 3. 6 plus 4 divided 5 minus 3. Suppose here the bracket is we are using, so 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, this is the part. Then 6 plus 2 means 8. Addition. Okay. Bracket division. We have to follow this pattern. Like first the bracket is coming, then D for division is coming, then if we use addition, then it's addition. Okay, so then we can also use this also. We can also use this also. Suppose if we do multiply, like suppose, okay, first bracket is okay. If we don't divide, we directly use multiply. Oh no, we have to divide here. Sorry. We have to divide. Then we can use multiplication. Yeah. We have to first divide, then we can multiply. Okay, 6 plus 4 is means not 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 4 divided by 2. Okay, so we are dividing. Oh, not here. This question we have to use addition. So there is always specification. Okay. So then 6 plus 2 here. Yeah, 8. We have to use bracket, division and addition. So, okay. So question here is determine okay. Determine the value of determine the value of 13 minus 2 into 3 plus 14. Okay. So here is a question. Okay, so we have to solve. We have to solve like 13 minus 2 into 3 plus 14 and 2 plus 5. Okay. Here first we have to solve from first here, like we have to use bracket. Okay, we have to use bracket like 13 minus 2 into 3 plus 14 divided by 7. Okay, then we have to do what? Divide. So we are going from this direction, we are going to this direction. Okay, we are going to this direction. Okay, 7. Okay, 7 is done. Okay, this is the first step. The next step, 13 minus 2 into 2 into 3 plus 2. We have to add. We have to do. Oh no, we have to multiply. Okay, sorry, we have to multiply. Then we can solve it. Okay, we have to multiply first. Okay, multiply. Get. Okay, 13 minus 6 plus 2. Okay, here the addition comes. Here the addition comes. We have to add. We can't do subtraction directly because board mass. We have to add first, like board mass. Board mass. So we cannot do subtraction first. We have to do first addition, then we can do subtraction. Okay, 13 minus 6. So we have to add 2 plus 13. That means 15. Okay, we cannot add this because it is also doing subtraction. If it is minus 6 and it is plus 2. So the answer will be here. The answer will be 4. The answer will be 4. Okay, the answer will be 4, and the minus 6 here, minus 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 15 minus 6 is what? 9. So this is the answer. Okay, so here with the subtraction will be over. Okay, board mass. O means orientation. Okay, there is no special function of O. Okay, O means orientation as a bracket, then division, then multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So this is what occurs. Okay, so note it down. Note it down first. I hope you guys noted it. So let's begin with the next question, which is also an interesting one. So guys, are you enjoying little much? Evaluate 16 2 plus 6 plus 18. Here the third bracket is came. So Bodmer's theorem is required. Okay, but not. Okay, this is the last question for Bodmer's theorem. We will then move to the next concept. Okay. So here is to solve 16 divided by 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 18 into 3 plus 4 plus 6 minus 21. Okay, so we will start from here. So first we have to use bracket. We have to solve the bracket part. Okay, we have to solve the bracket part. Suppose 16 24 minus 21. Okay, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4. No, not here. This is not 6 plus 4. This is 4 into 6. 4 into 6. Here is also 4 into 6. Okay. So 24 minus. Okay. First, we are solving the bracket part. Division. There is no division. Okay. We are solving the bracket part. Okay. 24 minus is becoming 3 plus 3. Okay, so also solving a bracket. Okay, inner bracket. We are solving bracket inner bracket, inner part. Okay, this is a bracket inner. Okay, then we are going 16 divided 8 plus 18 into 24 minus 21 is what? 24 minus 21 is 3. It becomes 6. Okay, it becomes 6. Okay, this is what? This is also the bracket part, but whole bracket part, not inner one. Okay, so then we have to divide. Okay, then we have to do what? Divide. Divide means it becomes 2. Okay, so we are strengthening our concepts. Okay, so let's enjoy, man. 2 into 8, 2 plus 18 into 6. Okay, what mass m. M means we have to multiply. We have to multiply. Okay, 2 plus 18 into 6, how much? 18 into 6, 108. Okay, 1806, 18 into 6 is what? 108. Okay, so 108 plus 2, all know 110. This is the answer. Okay, so we will do another question because we are enjoying. Okay, we are enjoying the Bodmas theorem. Bodmas theorem is very enjoying, yeah. We will do it. Okay, the next problem is little complex. Find the value of 23 minus 4 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 7 plus 144 divided by 4 and 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. Okay, so we have to first solve the brackets. Okay, 14, 32. Here this will 32 and 6. I think bracket. Then we have to do what? Divide. So here is the dividing part, but this is something wrong. This is not dividing. This is minus. Which one is dividing? Okay. This is we have to divide. Okay. So let's do this. 23 minus 4 into 2 into 7. Oh, 1 second. Okay. So after division, this become T. Okay. This become bod mass A multiply. Then we have to multiply 23 minus 4 into 14 plus 4 6 bod mass A. We have multiplied it. Okay, bod mass addition. Then we have to add. We have to add which one? Okay, we have to add this one. Okay, we will do this whole part. Okay, 14 into 4, no, 4 into 14 is what? 4 into 14 in, this is the second part. Sorry, this is the second part. This is not in place, this is second part of this. 14 into 4 is equal to 56. Okay, 14 into 4 is equal to 56, then it is a 6. Okay, so this is also the this is the part of this part, this is a part of this part. Okay, then they are moving to the bod mass A addition part. So we have to add this and this. So we have to add after adding this. Okay, 29 minus 56. Yeah, right. 29 minus 56 is how much? Okay, 27 minus 27. Okay, 27. Okay, minus 27. So this is the answer. Yes, we are solving with the help of Bodmas theorem. Okay, so Bodmas done. Hooray! Let's go. Let's go to the next part. Okay, the next part is fractions. Okay, one thing I want to fractions is not that much important. Okay, we will move directly to, we all know also decimals also using a calculator. No, we are not. Okay. percentages. Okay. We will do percentages. We will go to directly to solving part. Okay. We will move directly to the solving part. अच्छा, express 0.015 as a percentage. So here also decimal use we will practice decimal questions also. Okay, with this question here also decimal is required. Okay, so 0. We all know 0.015 to express the decimal number percentage. So we all know the percentage is measured by percentage means what? 100. Okay, 50% means what? 50% means what? 50 into 100 into 100. Am I right? Am I right? Yes, am I right? Yes, I'm right. Percent into, okay. No. What I'm doing, but 50% is 50 by 100 means in 100 we got 50, like 50 percentage marks. 50 percentage means marks means in 100 we got 50. Okay, this thing recorded in commerce also. Okay, so I hope we are done. Okay, so 0.015 is equal to what? 0.015 into 100% is equal to 0.015. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here 1.5%. I think we're done. So this is a decimal number, that's why we break the decimal and do this, done this. Okay, express 0.275. Okay, let's do the next question. 0.275 as a percentage. Okay, solve. 0.275 is equal to 0.275 into 100. Okay, 0.275 upon 123. In 10, like it's 27.5%. Okay, I hope you all guys are understood this concept. Okay, in as this case 75% and this is a. Okay, so there is also a question to convert a percentage to a fraction. Fraction. To convert percentage to a fraction. Okay, so Let's remove this question. To convert, sorry, to convert percentage to a fraction. To convert percentage to a fraction. Okay. So suppose, okay, so nothing here. We will start from problem. Okay. Express 75% as a fraction. As a fraction. Okay. Solve it. Nothing here. We have to remain this answer into fraction version. Like 75%, 75 by 100. That means 15, 3 by 4. Answer. So this is to convert percentage as a fraction. This is the percentage part, fraction part. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, here is one question. Here is one question. This question is something you have to think. Okay, that's what I love. You know, the tough questions I love. In mathematics, I love the tough questions. They are all tough questions because in real life we have to solve the tough battles, tough wars. So tough questions prepares for those battles. Okay, so suppose express 23 centimeter as a percentage of 72 centimeter. Correct to the nearest 1%. (23 centimeter) 23 centimeter as a percentage of 72 centimeter is equal to 23 by 72 into 100 into 100 is equal to 31.9444444%. That means 32%. Correct to the nearest 1%. Correct to the nearest 1%. Correct to the nearest 1%. Okay, that means 23 centimeter as a percentage of 72 centimeter. That means 23 is the percentage of 72. Like in some cases we do what percentage is means 100, but here percentage maximum the value of percentage, the value of percentage is 72. That means 23 out of 72 means 23% means what? 23 out of 72. Okay, 23 out of 72 into 100. So we have done, and 31 point infinite percentage, 32% correct to the nearest 1%. Okay, 13.914%. This is the not accurate answer. So correct to the nearest 1% is nearest 1%. Means 1% correct. 2 means 1 in 100. So 1%. So 1% correct. This value is in terms of 100. Yeah, we got it. We got it. In terms of 100. Here the question is saying that 23% means 23 by 72. Here the value of percentage is 72. That means 23% means 23 by 72. That means if we 23 by 72 into 100, if we do this thing, then the answer becomes 31.9444 and this infinite value. So this value is how much correct when the percentage value is 100. This value is how much correct when the percentage value is 100. So that is the 32% is it is exact value, means the whole number, whole value, and this 32% is correct to the nearest 1%, not only 1%, nearest 1%. Like it can be nearest 1%, means it can be 0.8, 0.9 or 0.9, 0.95, anything. Okay, so that means here 1% means 1 in 100. Here 1% means 1 in 100. So 32% is correct nearest to 1%, which is the actual percentage we use. That is 100. Okay, that means 32% is correct to maximum value 1%. Okay, that means how much wrong it is. Okay, there is that his value is correct nearest to 1%. Okay, that means it is totally wrong. Okay, we cannot use percentage as 72. We cannot use percentage as 72. That's the proof of this question, that we cannot use 72, we cannot use 82. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, the next question comes. Okay, the next question is problem number 14. Express 47 minutes as a percentage of 2 hours. Okay, correct to 1 decimal place. Correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, solve. Okay, so this question we will solve in our next class. Okay, so till then, bye bye. Thank you for joining in.